Hello guys, I am Miss Chai. Have you viewed the previous two video clips? I hope you guys viewed that two previous video clips, and now we enter the third video clip. To be continued, this one, the adjective which we can add into soap or detergent. Wow, from this picture, that is a lot adjective. So which one we should memorize? Choose three. Okay, next. What are the three we can choose? Biological enzyme, whitening agent, and fragrance. Biological enzyme such as lipase and peptidase. Why? You must know how to explain the function of the adjective. Biological enzyme we can use to remove the protein stain such as blood. And the next one, whitening agent. That means must make our clothes look white. The whitening agent can convert the stain to colorless substance. So make our clothes become clean as new one. Fragrance such as downy, so can make our cloth, our fabric very good smell. So just memorize these three is enough. Memorize the three examples of adjective and the function. Next, detergent. Now we enter the part of detergent. If you still remember saponification, saponification is a process to produce soap. And if you want to produce detergent, what kind of reaction is used to produce detergent? And here we look at these two common groups of detergent. How can we identify? This formula is for the soap, and this formula is for the detergent. Very easy. How to recognize the detergent? Detergent, the formula of detergent, which consists of one S, which is sulfur, surrounded by 4O. You see, surrounded by 4O. Surrounded by 4O. And here there are two types of detergent. One detergent got screw here. It's known as sodium alkyl benzene sulfonate. And the other one, no screw here. So it's known as sodium alkyl sulfate. That means this screw is known as benzene. And here, this one is very important. Detergent made from what? Detergent made from petroleum. Next. Haha, this one is the way to prepare detergent. Is very easy. The way to prepare detergent, we look at these two flow chart first. We find out the similarities from this both flow chart. The similarity, there are two similarities. Yes, I think you guys can find out the two similarities between these two flow chart. Sulfonation, and neutralization. That means there are the two important reaction which is used to prepare detergent. Sulfonation and neutralization. Okay, let's see the first one. This one, no screw. S surrounded by 4O. This one, S surrounded by 3O and 1 screw. Sulfonation. How to carry out the process of sulfonation? Add what? Yes, add sulfuric acid, H2SO4. And after the sulfonation become acid. From alcohol now become acid. When acid react with alkali, which is sodium hydroxide, this reaction is known as neutralization. And finally, detergent is produced successfully. And this flow chart, what is the difference between these two flow charts? Because of the presence of benzene. You see, the shape of benzene look like a screw. How to add benzene into the alkene? Via alkylation. Benzene add into alkane via alkylation. After the alkylation, will enter sulfonation. How to carry out sulfonation? Yes, by sulfuric acid, by adding sulfuric acid. And when become acid, react with alkali, this reaction is known as neutralization. And finally, sodium alkylbenzene sulfonate is prepared successfully. So what you must take note, for this kind of detergent, sodium alkyl sulfate, we use alcohol. For this kind of detergent, sodium alkylbenzene sulfonate, we use alkane ENE. Next. So here is the question. Based on this formula, state the name of the reaction to prepare cleaning agent A. First, you must identify this type of cleaning agent. So, there are only two types of cleaning agent, which is, soap and detergent. So, based on this formula, what is the answer? Yes, soap. Then, what is the reaction used to prepare soap? Yes, saponification. Make sure your spelling is correct. And next, the second question, suggest two main reactants need to prepare cleaning agent A. So, refresh. Rethink what you have learned in the previous video clip. Saponification, we need two reactants. One is any example of plant oil. So we can choose palm oil or olive oil or coconut oil. So mention one, palm oil. And another reactant is alkali. Give an example of alkali. You may use sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. Make sure the spelling is correct. So this slide clear. We enter the next slide. The next slide, state the two types of reaction involved during the preparation of detergent. This one is detergent. Why? Because S surrounded by 4O. What are the two types of reaction? Just now, look at this slide. I asked you guys to find out the two similarities. The two similarities are sulfonation and neutralization. Yes, these are the answer for this. You score 2 marks. Make sure your spelling is correct. And so, for this third video clip, until here. Hope you guys can enjoy learning by yourself.